Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from group F1. We are going to present our lab report C2. So this is result for part A, which is error investigation. So as we refer the formula, we get this table, which is reference the same reference, which is 15. The output from 10 to 100, and then we get the error. Okay, so this is the plot, the response of the error to actual output. The result we get is directly proportional decreasing, and then if the reference is larger than output, the error will be positive. On the other hand, if reference is smaller than output, the error will be negative. So based on the graph, the error slightly decrease. So next.
Hi, my name is akmal. So part B, so proportional controller. Based on the following table, K0, there are three tables, which is gain used are 0.1, 2, and 5. So this output is determined by the formula from the lab manual. So the graph, the each control output versus from the table 24. So as you can see, the result for the graph, control output KC 0.1, KC 2, and KC 5. So for the observation of the control output and control gain, so based on the observation, the graph was plotted data from table 1, table 2, 3, and 4. So if the error positive, then the control will become positive, but it becomes negative when the error is negative. So the increase of control gain will increase the control output. So the larger control signal can rotate the motor further to reduce the error.
Hello, my name is AZHARI bin AZMI. I will present for the part C, closed loop position control key system. So for this part, we were given a transfer function of a DC motor. So we will simulate it by using the Excel file. Okay, based on the table file, we use the Excel file to simulate the result for the motor position, which is output and error. Okay, for the observation, based on the observation, the error was decreased when the proportional control gain is increased while the motor position or output was increased. The higher the desired motors or set point, the higher the value of error, while the increasing of proportional gain will decrease the error.
So as for the conclusion is, in a nutshell, the objective of this experiment was achieved. Students are able to understand the concepts of error signal in closed-loop control system in the part A of experiment, which is error investigation. If the reference is higher than the output, so the error will become positive. Or besides, the error become negative if the reference is lower than the output. Next, students are able to understand the principle of proportional control. In the part B experiment, which is proportional controller, the increase of control gain will increase the control output. The larger control signal can rotate the motor further to reduce the error. This proportional control affects the error of the closed loop control system as well as control the stability of the system. Finally, students are able to understand on the concepts of closed loop feedback in a position control of a DC motor. In the part C experiment, which is closed loop position control system, the error was decreased when the proportional control gain is increasing while the motor position output was increased. The higher desired motor set point, the higher the value of error, while the increasing of proportional gain will decrease the error. The speed of the motor can be determined by the value of the proportional gain. In conclusion, the knowledge about closed loop control system was gained, and the objective of the experiment was success support the theory. That's all from us. Thank you.